How to use coordinates in Google Maps iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Maps application on your phone. Google Maps helps you navigate, find locations and explore places. Now, navigate to your desired location on the map and tap on it. An information card for the drop pin will appear at the bottom. Swipe up on this card to view more details about the location. Tap on the location text to expand the section. Here, you will find the latitude and longitude coordinates displayed in decimal format. You can tap on the coordinates to copy them to your clipboard. To verify the location, you can paste these coordinates into the search bar at the top and tap on Search. The map will then pinpoint the exact location, confirming the coordinates. Following these steps, you can easily use coordinates in Google Maps on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.